guys, welcome to Carbeli. We're so excited that you're here. Today we have Karsten, say hi.
Hi.
And Bella, say hi.
Right?
Yep, that's not right. Say hi, Bella.
Hi.
And today we're going to learn about animals. Not only animals, but these are magnetic animals. You see the little metal piece right there? That's called a magnet and it sticks to other metals. So these stick together like that. It's super neat. Anyway, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our page, and watch to the end because we always have really funny bloopers. Okay, let's get to it. You go ahead and go first, pal.
Wow!
And what is that?
Elephant.
And what kind of noise does it make again? That's perfect. Great job. Okay, Bella, your turn. What is that, Bella? Horsey. What kind of noise does a horsey make? Perfect. Okay, my turn. Okay, we got this, and then we put his feet there, and then we put his feet there, and then we put this head here. Is that right? No, that's not right. Is that right? No. Okay, this is a horsey head. That's so silly. Horsey head, and then what is this? A sheep. What kind of noise does the sheep make? That's the elephant, silly. What does the sheep make? Bah! What does the sheep make? Bah! Good job! Bah! 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 Karsten, what do you have next? Here, put it together. How does a giraffe go together? What is that?
Giraffe.
What kind of noise does a giraffe make? Watch this video. We'll do a giraffe noise, okay?
Wow!
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put his legs on, okay?
Yeah, okay.
And let's see. So does it go like this? No. Okay. Does it go like this?
Yeah.
Look.
No.
No. Is that right, Bella?
No.
No. Okay, let's turn his head around. Silly. Ready? How about that? Oop, his leg's falling. What is that? Do you know what kind of noise an alligator makes?
Chomp, chomp.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Bella, do you know what kind of noise an alligator makes? Chomp, chomp, chomp. All right, Karsten, what's next, pal?
Cow.
Cow. How does a cow go? That's not right. B, is that right?
No.
That's not right.
Awesome.
There you go. What kind of sound does a cow make? Okay, what is this one?
Let me show Daddy.
Okay, show me out. Okay, show me out. Let's move the tiger. Show me out.
No, that's not the tiger.
Oh, I'm silly. That's a cow. That's a tiger. Sorry. Is that right? Look at the way his feet are pointing. Look at the way his feet are pointing. I don't think that's right, is it? We'll fix it.
Yay!
Good job! What kind of noise does a tiger make? today we learned about different animals. We also learned about magnets and how they stick together. And wait, something's not right there.
No.
Is that, can you fix our Mr. Horse? Okay. And then, oh, can you fix the giraffe? Mr. Giraffe?
It's on.
It's on wrong, I know.
Yeah.
Is that right?
No.
Is that right? No, that's not right. Okay, turn it around. There we go. All right, we had so much fun learning with you today. We learned about animals and magnets. We had so much fun. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to watch every video to the very end because we always have really funny bloopers for you.
Hey guys, if you want to watch my videos and if you want to come back here, and then you can.
Yeah, and say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, girl.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look at my new hat. Nah. Okay. Ready? Am I going? Yep. Are we live?
No.
That's really funny looking. Look at this. That's funny. Okay. So does it go like this?
No.
No. Okay.
Love the one of you. Mr. Like our page and subscribe our video.
Great job. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to watch to the end of the video. We have some funny bloopers coming up. We really enjoyed learning with you. We learned a little bit about magnets and a lot more about animals.
Till next time. Bye.
Bye.